Hello students, in today's video we shall start our new chapter, that is Heron's formula. Before start this chapter Heron's formula, let us see first of all that the terms which you have studied in previous classes, that is how to find the area of the triangle. In triangle ABC, if base this AC equal to small b, this opposite side of the vertex capital B is denoted by small b, and the height of this triangle is suppose small h. Okay, then area of the triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. This is well known to you. Okay, so here height means a perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side, that is the height. So this is height h. Okay, so this is the formula to find the area of the triangle. Actually, what does it mean, area of the triangle? Suppose if you have 1 centimeter this, 1 centimeter this, and 1 centimeter this, so this is a square. Each side is of 1 centimeter. Therefore, area of this square is 1 centimeter square. So how many square can be occupied in this triangle? That will be the area of that triangle. Okay, so if it is suppose 12 centimeter square, it means this 12 squares can be occupied in this triangle. So area of the triangle ABC. Okay, this is the formula, but this can be used in scalene triangle, right angle triangles also, but you should know the height and the base of that triangle. But how to find the area of the triangle of an equilateral triangle? So next is area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle. Is there any formula to find the area of this equilateral triangle? So let us derive it. Suppose you have a triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle. Capital A, B, C. Let each side of this triangle is small a unit, A. Each side, because it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Then what is the formula to find the area of this triangle? So for that, students, you draw the perpendicular here. Here the height is not given, but let us consider that this AM, this is the height of this triangle. So first of all, you find the height of the triangle, and we know that if you draw the perpendicular in an equilateral triangle to the opposite side, it bisects the opposite side. So as this is complete A, so BM, this BM will be equals to half of A, that is A by 2, and MC will be A by 2. Now you got a right angle triangle here. Okay, so in right angled triangle, I am taking this AMB. This BM is equal to BM equals to A by 2, and BM equal to A by 2, and AM equals to H. AM will be equals to H. Therefore, what is H? And here AB equal to A. So according to Pythagoras theorem, let us find out what is H. So according to Pythagoras theorem, here this is right angle and this will be hypotenuse. So here AM square, I am talking about triangle AMB. AM square plus BM square, this will be equals to AB square. So what is AM square? That is H square. What is BM? BM is A by 2 whole square equal, what is A? That is A square. Therefore H square equal to A square, this minus A by 2 whole square. Transfer this side, this term to right hand side. So that is h square equal to a square minus a square by 4. Squaring this implies h square equal to a square minus a square by 4. Here the denominator is 1. Therefore h square equal to, taking LCM as 4, so this will be 4a square, this is minus a square, that is 3a square by 4. So h square, therefore h square equal to 3a square by 4. Therefore h will be equals to, taking square root both the sides, under root 3a by 2. So root 3 by 2, square root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2 times a is the height of an equilateral triangle, where a is the side of an equilateral triangle. Okay, now easily we can find here the area of this triangle ABC, equilateral triangle. Therefore area of an equilateral triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. Half into base is BC is A. Now height is h is given, that is half into base into height, that is root 3 by 2 into A. So it is 2 into 2 4, 1 by 4. This is root 3 into A, that is a square. So this is root 3 by 4. Oh sorry, it is yes, root 3 by 4 into a square into h square. So that is root 3 by 4 into side square. Therefore area of an triangle, equilateral triangle, where side is small a, so area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Whatever be the side of that equilateral triangle, you have to multiply by root 3 by 4, take the square of that side. It gives us the area of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into side square. So in this way we can find the area of an equilateral triangle also. Okay students, now see how to find the area of the triangle if the height of the triangle is not given to you. And the formula which was derived to find the area of the triangle, it was derived by a great mathematician, that is Heron, who was born in Alexandria in Egypt. Students, he worked in applied mathematics. His works on mathematical and physical subjects are so numerous and varied that he is considered to be an encyclopedic writer in these fields. His geometrical works deal largely with problems on mensurations, written in 3 books. Okay students, so book 1 deals with the area of squares, rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, various other specialized quadrilaterals, the regular polygons, circles, surfaces of cylinders, cones, spheres, etc. So this Heron has derived the famous formula for the area of a triangle in terms of its sides. Now see students, you have this triangle ABC. I am denoting the sides of the triangle by, and this is the vertex capital A, so let denote this opposite side by small a. This is the vertex capital B of triangle ABC, so denote the opposite side by small b, and let denote this side AB by small c. Okay, so student, here what is Heron's formula? First, find the perimeter of this triangle. In triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle ABC, that is equals to A plus B plus C. This will be the perimeter, sum of all 3 sides of a triangle. Then you find the semi perimeter. Semi means half perimeter, and semi perimeter means half of the perimeter, which is denoted by capital small s. So it will be a plus b plus c and half of that. So this is your value of semi perimeter of this triangle ABC. S equal to a plus b plus c. Now this the formula given by Heron about the area of the triangle is also known as Heron's formula. And what is that formula? He has given the formula directly. Area of triangle ABC here, where ABC three sides are known to you, but you don't know what is the height of that triangle. So using that all three sides also, we can find the area of this triangle, and area of triangle ABC is under root according to Heron's, which he has given us this beautiful formula. S into bracket S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this is Heron's formula, where ABC are where small a, b and c are the sides of the triangle. Okay, and S is semi perimeter, that is half the perimeter, So now what you have to do, if triangle ABC is given and all three sides are given, so first of all you find out S. What is S? Half perimeter, and then directly you can apply this formula. Area of that triangle equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This formula will give us the area of this triangle. Okay, students, now take an example of exercise 12.1. See question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in blue colors with the message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 cm, 11 cm and 6 cm, find the area of the painted in color. So the student, this is suppose slide, and this is the wall of this side, and this is colored with okay, and it is written keep the park green and clean. Here it is written keep the park green and clean. Okay, this has written. There is a slide in a park. This is a slide. One of its side walls, this side walls has been painted in blue colors. Blue colors पे इसको paint किया है. Okay, उस पर मैसेज लिखा है keep the park green and clean. उस पर मैसेज लिखा है. Now, if the sides of this walls are, this is 11 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Sides of the walls are, these are the sides. So find the area painted in color. ये blue color में जो कलर किया है, blue color में जो एरिया है यहाँ पर का, जिसमें लिखा है keep the park green and clean. So what is the area of that colored walls? Find the area painted in color. Now here this is a triangle ABC. If we consider this ABC as a triangle, three sides are given. This is 6 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, and this is 11 centimeter. So to find the area of this colored painted, which is painted in color. So let us find out the semi perimeter first of all. So solution, here small a, here first find the area of the side walls measuring 15 centimeter. Here the sides of the wall are 15 centimeter, then 11 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So let इसको हम स्मॉल ए बी सी मानते हैं. लेट ए इक्वल्स टू 15. I think it is in centimeter, or it may be meter. I think, sorry, it should be in meter. It is in meter. Okay, you take correct this. This is in meter. Meter, it is meter. Okay, 15 meter. This is also meter because it is wall, na. B equals to 11 meter and small c equals to 6 meters, suppose. Okay, therefore S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that is 15 plus 11 plus 6 upon 2. So it is 16, 32 now. This is 32, means 32 divided by 2, that is 16 meter now. 16 meter. Therefore area of colored wall is equal to under root S into bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so that is equals to under root, what is S? S is 16 into bracket S minus A, that is you subtract S means 16 minus what is A? A is 15, S minus B 16, what is B? B is 11, then S minus C 16, what is C? C is 6. So this is under root 16 into, this is 1, 16 minus 15 1, 16 minus 11, that is 5, then 16 minus 6, that is 10. Okay, so this is under root 16. I am writing because you have to take the square root. So 4 into 4, now this is 1, no need to write, into 5 into 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Now 4 into 4 can be taken out of square root, so it will be 4. 5 into 5 means again you can take 5 as outside the square root, so it is under root 2. So that is 20 under root 2 meter square, because since it is the area, it will be in square meter. So student, you make the correction, all it is in meters. Okay, 11 meter, 6 meter and 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So in this way, by using Heron's formula, we can find the area of the triangle if all three sides are given to. Just first of all, you find what is S, sum of three sides upon 2, that is semi perimeter S. Then apply the formula under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, then put the values of A, B, C. 16, S is 16, then S 16 minus A is 15, here B is 11, C is 6. In this way, factorize this number so that we can take the number outside the square root easily. Okay, so here 20 root 2 square meter, it is the area of this colored wall, which is colored in blue color. Okay, thank you. Let's take another example in exercise 12.1. Question number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. If you have a triangle ABC, take any triangle ABC, one side is suppose 10 centimeter, that is 18 centimeter, and third is not given, but the perimeter of this triangle is given. Perimeter is 42 centimeter. So we know that perimeter of a triangle ABC is equal to sum of three sides A plus B plus C. That is A plus B plus C equals to perimeter of the triangle. That is, now what is A? A is 18. What is B? That is 10. What is C? It is not given. Perimeter is 42 centimeter. Therefore, this is 28 plus C equals to 42. Therefore, C equals to 42 minus 28. Therefore, C equals to 14 centimeter. So, students, in this way we can find the third side also if perimeter is given. Now, what will be the semi-perimeter? Perimeter was already given, that is 42. Therefore, semi-perimeter that is S equals to 21 centimeter. Therefore, S equal to 21. Okay, so S is given. A equals to 18, B equals to 10, and C equals to 14. So all the sides are known to you. Therefore, area of triangle equal to, now apply Heron's formula. S into bracket S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so this is equals to, what is S? S is 21. 21 into S minus A, 21 minus 18. A is 18. This A into 21 minus what is B? B is 10 into 21 minus what is C? C is 14. So this is equals to 21 into, this is 3, this is 11, and 21 minus 14, that is 7. So in this way let us factorize so that we can take easily the numbers outside this square root. So 3 into 7 into this 3 into 11 into 7. Now 3 into 3, that is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So I can take 3 as outside this square root into 7 into 7 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So 7 into 7, I can take 7 outside this square root. So we will remain with under root 11. So that is equals to 21 root 11 centimeter square, because it is the area. Therefore, area of triangle equals to 21 root 11 centimeter square. So in this way, students, we can find out the area of the triangle if two sides are given and perimeter is given. So by using the perimeter, you can find semi-perimeter. Just take the half of that perimeter, and using this formula A plus B plus C equals to P, we can find the third side. Okay, thank you.